Good morning to all my dear students. As you all know, in the previous class I have given you this assignment, this worksheet to do, and today we will do the solution of this worksheet, right? Which is assignment 8. In this assignment, first question is filling the blanks. First question is filling the blanks. There are some questions given to you and you have to fill the blanks. In this question, A part, 26,000 centimeter equals to dash decimeter and dash meter, right? Look beta, in the previous class we have done a table which is like millimeter, then centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer, right? As we going millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10, centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10, decimeter to meter, divide by 10, meter to decameter, divide by 10, deca to hecto, divide by 10, and hecto to kilo, divide by 10, right? Now when we have to convert kilometer to hectometer, there we will multiply with 10. There also, this side also we will multiply with 10. This one, then this one, and then this one. Clear? Now centimeter to decimeter, it means what we have to do, divide with 10. Now 26,000 divide with 10, 0 cut by 0, answer is 2600 decimeter, right? Now decimeter to meter, again divide by 10, 0 cut by 0, which is 260 meter. Clear about this? You have to just learn the table how you will do these sums. Right now, B part, 6 kilogram equals to dash gram and equals to dash milligram. See, gram, kilogram to gram, 1, 2, 3 means multiply with 1000. So क्या हो जाएगा आपका 6000 ग्राम. नाउ 6000 ग्राम, यहाँ पे मीटर है तो यहाँ पे ग्राम में क्या आ जाएगा, ग्राम. 1, 2, 3 अगेन मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1000, so 6000 3 zeros again, right, which is equals to 60 lakh. Now C part, 26,000 liter equals to dash decaliter and equals to dash हेक्टोलीटर. लीटर गिवन है, मीटर के प्लेस पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका लीटर. डेकालीटर, लीटर टू डेकालीटर, इट मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 10, 0 कट बाय 0, 2600 डेकालीटर. नेक्स्ट डेकालीटर टू हेक्टोलीटर, 2600 डिवाइड बाय 10, 0 cut by 0, which is 260 hectoliter, right? This is about the first questions which is we have to fill. Now next, second question is add the following. See beta, this types of sum you have to just learn the table. First millimeter, centimeter, then decimeter, meter, decameter, right? Now second question is we have to add the following number. First part, 133.45 decameter, 334.36 decameter. Units are same, plus units write down करो. 5 plus 6 11 1 goes carry. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. Decimal 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4. Answer is 467.81 decameter. B part 123.891 kilogram. नेक्स्ट है आपका 23, सो डेसिमल 3292 किलोग्राम. अगेन हम यहाँ पे ज़ीरोज़ पुट कर सकते हैं टू मेक इट इक्वल. यूनिट सेम है किलोग्राम. 1 plus 0 1, 9 plus 2 11, 1 goes carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, 8 decimal 1. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 2 4 and 1, which come 147.811 kilogram. C part 123.894 liter and 562.8 लीटर. अगेन आप क्या करेंगे, ज़ीरोज़ लगाएंगे. यूनिट सेम. 4 plus 0 4, 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 8 16, decimal 1 goes carry. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 6 8 and 5 plus 1 6. So it comes 686.694 liter. Right. Now come to third question, which is of subtraction. In this we have to subtract the given numbers. Again the units. First is A part 234.098 kilometer from, means after from digit will come at the first 4 kilometer. Next 234.098 kilometer. Subtract 14 minus 8 6, 2 come here, 12 minus 9 3, here will come 6, 12 minus 4 8, this becomes 7, 7 minus 3 4 and 9 minus 2 7. Answer is 748.636. B part again 126.07 centigram, and we have to subtract 93.95 centigram. Right. 7 minus 5 2, unit same. 10 minus 9 1, decimal. 5 minus 3 2, यहाँ पे 5 क्यों, क्योंकि इसने इसको कैरी दिया था. Now 12 minus 9 3. Answer is 32.12 centigram. C part 1234000 kiloliter 879000 kiloliter. 0 0 0 as it is. 14 minus 9 5, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 2 and 2. 12 minus 7 5, this become 1. 11 minus 8 3, which is 3,55,000 kiloliter. Clear? This is about the third questions, how you will subtract. Now come about the fourth question, which is of multiply the following. Now we have to multiply A part 23.98 meter by 14. सिंपली फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 8 ज़ा 32 3, 4 9 ज़ा 36, 36 प्लस 3 39, 4 3 ज़ा 12, 12 प्लस 3 15, अगेन 1 कम कैरी. 4 2 ज़ा 8 and 1 9. Multiply with 1, number will come same. 2, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 goes carry, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 and 1, 15, again 1 come carry, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 goes carry, 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is 33,572. Now decimal 1, 2, 1, 2. Answer is 335.72. Right? See beta, multiplication and division we have already done. So these two questions 4 and 5th you will do yourself. Now come to the question number 6. A box weight is 42.9 kg. Another box weight is 57.1 kg. Find the total weight of the two boxes in decagram. So firstly हम क्या करते हैं 6 weight of one box, that is 42.9 kg. Now weight of another box is 57.1 kg. Right? Now total weight means what we have to do? We have to add 9 plus 1, 10, 1 goes carry, here come decimal. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, again 1 come carry. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So this is 100 kilogram. Now we have to find weight in decagram. Weight in decagram. So now once again, milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram. Right? When you will convert this, when you will come this side, it means multiply with 10. क्लियर? सो अब हमें क्या करना है, किलोग्राम है हमारे पास, हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, डेकाग्राम में. हियर ए विल कम. राइट? इट मीन्स 1, 2 मल्टीप्लाई विद 100, 100 मल्टीप्लाई विद 100, 10,000 decagram. Right? This is the way to change the units. Question number 7. A tank had 67 kiloliter of water. Out of this, 31,000 liter was used up. Now, how many liters of water? अब हमें किस में आंसर करना है, वाटर लीटर में. राइट? सो फर्स्टली आपको जहाँ पे किलो लीटर गिवन है वहाँ उसको आप लीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. So question number 7. Total water is 67 kiloliter. Right? As we know, 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. So 67 kiloliter equals to 67,000 liter. Right? So total water is 67,000 liter. Now water used 31,000 liter. So how many liters of water is left? So we have to find the water left in tank. Left means subtract करना है हमें. Subtract करो 67,000 from 31,000 minus 7 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So how much water is left? 36,000. This concept is clear. How you will convert? क्योंकि बेटा हमें जो क्वेश्चन में आंसर we have to reply, that is how much water in liter, how many liters of water, मीन्स हमें किस में रिप्लाई करना है, लीटर में. तो हम क्या करेंगे, किलो लीटर को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. So 67 kiloliter equals to 67,000 liter. Clear? Left means what we have to do in that question? Subtract. Now, 8th part. A piece of chain is 32.55 centimeter long. So total length 32.55 centimeter. If 30 such chains are joined end to end, so number of chains equals to 30. So we have to find what will be the total length of the chains obtained in meters. Now we have to firstly क्या करना है, इन्होंने बोला है कि एक चेन की जो लेंथ है वो क्या है. Here you will write not total length, length of one chain. How much? 32.55 centimeter and number of chains are 30. So we have to firstly find the total length. Means हमें क्या करना है, multiply with 30. 55 multiply with 30. So multiply करते हैं. Forget about the decimal, simply multiply करो. Whenever you will multiply a number with 0, then answer is 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 goes carry. 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. 1 goes carry. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 3 3s are 9. Answer is 97,650. राइट. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें डेसिमल पुट करना है. 1 2 and 1 and 2 एंड आंसर इज इन सेंटीमीटर. बट हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द चेन्स ऑब्टेन्ड इन मीटर. राइट. सो अगेन हम क्या करते हैं, एज वी नो 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू, और आप यहाँ से देखो मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर एंड मीटर. डिवाइड बाई 10 एंड डिवाइड बाई 10. इट मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, हमें डिवाइड बाय 100 करना है. राइट. सो 976.50 डिवाइड बाय 100. अगेन 2 zeros 1 2 3 4 which is 9.7650 meter. So total length of chain is 9.7650. ये कैसे आया? सी बेटा, हमारे पास सेंटीमीटर है. हमें पता है कि अगर हम किसी चीज़ को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, कोई भी लेंथ, सो हमें क्या करना होता है, डिवाइड बाय 100. राइट. सो 2 डिजिट्स का डेसिमल हमारे पास ऑलरेडी था एंड 2 मोर कम. सो 1 2 3 4. सो 9.7650 मीटर. राइट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 is 7 pouches weight is, total weight is 31.45 kilogram and number of pouches how many? 70. So we have to find the weight of each pouch. How many grams does each pouch weight? See ग्राम में weight of each pouch. राइट. इट मीन्स क्या करेंगे, हम फर्स्टली इसको डिवाइड करते हैं with 17. It goes on first. 17 ones are 17. 11 minus 7 4. 2 minus 1 1. Now take down 4. 17 ones are 17. It goes on 8. 136. 4 minus 6 Can't subtract 14 minus 6. 8. Take down 5. 17 5s are 85. 0. Now 185 किलोग्राम. हमारे पास जो डिजिट्स है वो क्या है? 2 1 2. Now we have to find the weight in gram. Weight in gram equals to 1 kilogram. Underline this. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 1.85 gram equals to 1.85 multiply with 1000. डेसिमल रिमूव करो. 1 2 2 zeros आ गई. 2 0 से 2 0 कट करो and this become 1850 gram. Right? Clear? How you will change the units of the question? Now question number 10. Estimate by rounding of nearest 10 kilometer. Now means firstly what we have to do, we have to round off the number. After that we will add. So now ones, tens, 100, 1000. Nearest 10 kilometer. Ones, tens. अब 2 से पहले एक डिजिट चेक करो. 1 है, इट मीन्स क्या होगा आपका नंबर? सेम. राइट. प्लस 1 10. यहाँ पे 9 है तो नियरेस्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 30 किलोमीटर. नाउ ऐड बोथ द नंबर्स. 0 के प्लेस पे 0. 2 + 3 5. 4 + 2 6. 6 + 3 9. 9650. सी यू डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज. मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने वंस के डिजिट को 1 से ऐड किया, टेंस की डिजिट्स को 10 से, 100 with 100 and 1000 with 1000. Now 11th. Estimate by rounding off to nearest decigram. 123.7 decigram plus 843.6 decigram. सी यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 7 है और यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 6 है. दोनों ही क्या हैं? ग्रेटर देन 5. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 1 विल ऐड 124 डेसीग्राम प्लस 844 डेसीग्राम. ऐड करो. 4 + 4 8. 2 + 4 6. 8 + 1 968 डेसीग्राम. राइट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. 3221 liter plus 6439 liter. Estimate by rounding off to nearest 10 liter. 1 10 1 10. सो 2 से पहले 1 है, इट मीन्स क्या होगा आपका नंबर? सेम रहेगा. प्लस 3 से पहले 9 है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 40 लीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड 0 with 0 0. 4 + 2 6. 4 + 2 6. 6 + 3 9. So answer is 9660 liter. So this is the solution of assignment 8. In this solution we have the question number 5 and 4 and 5 multiplication and division that you will do yourself. Rest of the solution is here. See यहाँ पे 9 है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 40 and this will become 60. 9660 किलोमीटर.